Did you know you can have a wireless and wired Android Auto and CarPlay on your 2014 to 17 Acura MDX? Today, I'm going to show you around the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as how to pair and set it up. This device is going to give you access to a whole lot of cool new functionality like Google Maps and other apps right on your factory Acura MDX screen. Of course, it'll also preserve your ability to shift into your original reverse camera, and back to park or drive will bring you right back into Android Auto. The Hamilton upgrade kit fully integrates into your original Acura Bluetooth, meaning that it'll preserve 100% audio quality in your original microphone and steering wheel controls. We can adjust the volume using the knob here on the left, and just like you did originally, you'll see the volume adjusting on your front screen in your dash. Touching the voice speech button will trigger the Google Voice Assistant. Hey Google, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Right now in Raleigh, it's 49 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecasted high of 49 and a low of 40.
Any app with a Google Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. We're now going to show you how to pair and set up the audio. We're going to have a full installation video for this product. And of course, we also have full details and videos for our CarPlay side of this as well. It's backed by a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. Let's dive in and I'll show you how to pair and set it up. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up wireless Android Auto as well as the audio. Long holding the back button here will allow us to switch between the Hamilton operating system and the factory Acura operating system. We're going to use the original Acura Bluetooth for our wireless audio. Let's go ahead and pair the phone to the Acura Bluetooth now. Back on the Acura operating system, let's touch Settings. We'll use the wheel to come over here to Audio Settings, Bluetooth Device List, and then we'll do Add a Bluetooth Device. If you've reached the maximum number, we're going to need to replace one. We'll go ahead and touch Yes to replace this device. Now, go ahead and open up your Android phone. We'll swipe down from the top, down again, touch Settings, Connected Devices, and then we'll do Pair a New Device. Now on the Acura, go ahead and touch OK. And now it's searching. We're going to let it find the Android phone. Once the Acura has identified the Android phone, we'll go ahead and highlight it and touch Enter. On your phone, turn on Allow Contacts and Favorites and touch OK. And now we'll hold right here for about 30 seconds while the Acura pairs to the Android phone. Don't touch anything on your phone at that time. Once the Acura is paired, it will come back to the device list. We can go back to the Acura homepage. Long holding the back button, we'll jump into the Hamilton underlying operating system. Before we pair to the Hamilton underlying operating system, let's come to Settings, System, and make sure this setting is turned on. Use Cars Bluetooth channel. This setting tells the Hamilton device that we're using the Acura's factory Bluetooth for calls and audio. Now, open up your Android device again, and we'll touch Pair a New Device, and wait until you see a device starting with Hamilton appear. Go ahead and touch it. Make sure Allow Access to Contacts and Call History is turned on. We'll wait about 30 seconds. If you've never paired Android Auto on your phone before, you may need to approve some terms and conditions. You can search Android Auto in the Google Play Store if you've never paired it on your device before. Now we'll wait about 30 seconds, and it will automatically begin to open on the Hamilton upgrade kit. Touching this red button Audio will prompt it to open for the first time. Next time you get in the car, your phone will automatically pair to the Acura Bluetooth and the Hamilton upgrade kit as well. If you have any questions about this process, we're going to have a full installation video as well as tech support based in Raleigh, North Carolina. We have folks here to help at 919-858-2890. This system is backed with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to treat you the way we would want to be treated. The full product, warranty, and installation details are available on HamiltonMotorCompany.com. Also, be sure to check out our help center for important information, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.